so in keeping with our luck with mountain passes in October in Colorado. We were headed to Durango and I forget the name of the town, Del Norte. We'd left Del Norte and headed to Durango. And the weather was supposed to be above freezing at Wolf Creek Pass, and there was a chance of rain. And perhaps snow at the higher elevations, but again, it was above freezing. So there were no chain laws in effect or anything like that. But as we got there, the snow started coming down a lot heavier than I think anybody anticipated. And Wolf Creek Pass isn't as high as Monarch, but it's very steep. And in fact, I would not recommend driving a big vehicle over Wolf Creek Pass without having some type of engine braking available. There are escape ramps and that type of thing, if you do lose your brakes. But, definitely you want to go down in a low gear if you don't have an engine brake. And, typically as a trucker, we would use to go down, it assumes that the climb is symmetrical, which it pretty much is in this case. But the assumption or the rule is go downhill one gear lower, then you're able to climb up it. And so we went down it, and of course we have an automatic transmission, and we have a Jake brake or an engine brake, so we just let that control the speeds going downhill. But I'm very thankful to have that on those downhill things, especially when the weather isn't the greatest. But anyway, so what was supposed to be just a quick up and down turned out to be a little more than we anticipated. But you got to be prepared, and you got to love Colorado in the wintertime. Thanks for watching.